Hi, I'm John Graham. I've been hearing from many Canadians that it's been another challenging year. Higher prices, interest rates, as well as far-reaching global conflicts have undoubtedly touched us all, our friends, our families, and our communities. One thing I've seen is the resilience of many of you. Whether you've recently chosen Canada as your new home, or your roots here stretch back generations, the strength and warmth of the people in this country are what makes us all Canadian. Our country's national pension promise is also what makes Canada strong. 25 years ago, CPP Investments received its first transfer of $12 million and began investing the CPP Fund in capital markets. The goal was clear: increase the long-term value of the fund for future generations. I'd like to read a short excerpt from our very first annual report 25 years ago. Our goal is to increase the value of CPP assets to help cover the cost of future pensions, recognizing that the CPP pension is the basic retirement income for many people. The focus is long-term to ensure the best returns possible are obtained for Canadians. Today, I'm pleased to report, since that original $12 million transfer, the CPP Fund has grown to over $600 billion. About $400 billion of that is a result of the work we do in the form of net investment income after all costs. We're proud that the CPP Fund has become one of the most widely respected funds in the world. You can be confident that the CPP will be there to support your financial security in retirement today and for generations to come. This year, the fund has delivered solid performance. Let's take a closer look.
This year, the CPP Fund reached $632.3 billion in net assets, an increase of $62.3 billion over the previous year. 10-year net returns were 9.2%, and our 1-year was 8% net of all costs. We earned $46.4 billion in net income this year, with positive contributions from all investment departments.
Our solid performance this year reflects the strength of our long-term strategy and the quality of our investment portfolio. We invest across several asset classes and geographies to generate steady returns and remain resilient in the face of wide-ranging market and economic conditions. We hold investments in public and private equities, fixed income, credit, infrastructure, real estate, and in more than 55 countries around the world, and $74 billion invested right here in Canada. Here are some of the investments we made this year.
With a global demand for reliable energy, we agreed to merge our 49% stake in Era Energy with California Resources Corporation to create a leader in energy transition for the state's increasing energy needs. We also committed to invest 197 million Canadian dollars in financing to support CapVest Partners in its acquisition of RecoChem, a Canadian global manufacturer and distributor of household products. We made our first investment in Italian digital infrastructure, investing $2.9 billion in Italy's Netco, the country's largest telecoms network. We leveraged our deep experience in global infrastructure projects with investments in 29 infrastructure projects, including toll roads, digital infrastructure, and utilities around the world.
I'm excited about the future. The portfolio is well positioned to deliver strong performance in the year ahead and for decades to come. We see huge opportunities, and we've built the team to capture them. Because we're not just investing for today, we're investing for the next 25 years and beyond. Thank you for your trust.